Keith, I feel like I should say you're welcome to the snowmobilers of Maine this year because it's the year that I can't ride my snowmobile. So of course it's snowing.
You made a couple key decisions over the past couple of years. You were going to get a fancy new sled, you decided not to, and then this year, obviously, you can't ride. Last year, it felt like the right decision. This year, you're missing out a little.
I am missing out a little, but
it's worth it.
We'll be riding next year.
Right.
It's got to be worth
it. You're not helping.
How's that? Wait, how can you ride? No, you can't ride with one. Can you ride with a baby? Someone else will have the baby.
I told my mom he's got to at least be old enough to wear a helmet.
That seems like a fair.
That's fair.
Right?
Seems like a fair. I don't know the rules on this kind of thing. It seems like it wouldn't be a great idea. All right, decent day today. We got a couple of snow showers and squalls out there. Ryan was showing you earlier Sugarloaf with some snow showers and a couple of squalls out towards Holton too. Most of us though quiet tonight. Chilly. Our next storm system you would think is right here, but actually this will sail to our south. It's down here towards Houston that our storm system is starting to develop, and it will move towards us tomorrow night, I'm saying, but really it's after midnight tomorrow night into Thursday that it moves in. Until then, it's quiet. Tonight is cold, but not as cold as last night. Temperatures drop down to the single digits in a lot of spots, and they will be below zero into the mountains, but compared to last night when we were 10, 11 degrees below zero, it will not be as cold as that. Tomorrow's a bright day, but temperatures are chilly again, upper teens, low 20s for highs, and then clouds start coming in from southwest to northeast. To be clear, during the day tomorrow, during most of the evening tomorrow, it's fine. It's not until after midnight that snow moves in. And initially, it's cold enough that it is all snow statewide, and I think fairly efficient snow into the early morning hours. This is 4 a.m. on Thursday. It's in the teens, so snow is accumulating easily at that point. And I think the morning commute is going to be tough on Thursday. I always have the mentality of you are adults, you decide what to do with the information that I give you, but I think that it will be a tough commute because it'll be snowing for a couple of hours, snowing during the commute itself as well, and it's not until late morning that we start to bring in enough warm air at the mid-levels that we change over to sleet and potentially even some rain along the coastline. But I think at that point, the snow is already on the ground, the roads are already a little tough, and it's just a matter of how heavy it makes that snow over southern Maine as far as moving it around. And then the snow moves out on Thursday afternoon, and we are done with this. It's relatively quick moving. So 3 to 6 inches statewide, may mix with sleet over southern Maine and the mid-coast, 6 to 12 across northern Maine where it's able to stay all snow. Quiet for Valentine's Day, quiet Saturday during the day, and then a next storm moves in Saturday night into Sunday. Initially, Saturday night, that's snow. 3 to 6, if not 4 to 8 inches of snow right off the bat. But it gets more complicated on Sunday because the Euro model and the GFS model differ. Now you look at this and you say, these look kind of similar to me, but see all this pink here? The difference between this cold air damming signal in the Euro and the more progressive look of the GFS is snow mixed with a little sleet versus ice, a decent amount of freezing rain and ice. So that's what we're going to try to figure out for Sunday, which model is going to be right here. Now, you know I like the Euro model. I will say this though, guys. This winter, it has been too quick to warm us up at the mid-levels. So it may be doing that again, hopefully, on Sunday, and that would give us more snow, less freezing rain. So we'll keep an eye on that, but it has certainly been a bias in the last couple of storms. Remember, in fact, last Thursday, it was saying, oh yeah, we're going to change over to rain at some point. It was 18 and snowing. So it does seem to have that problem this winter, but I still don't feel like I should ignore it because if it is freezing rain, it would be a significant event on Sunday. Yeah.
Right, yeah, that would be a big event for us. Okay. Thank you, Keith.